So the next thing is this feature. Apparently it used to be an external module called Save Survey PDF to Field. And what you do is you create a file upload field, or an upload file field, and this new feature allows you to automatically generate a PDF of a survey once the survey is completed, and it uploads it to this field, so that way when you open the record you have the link there. And so what you do is you have the file upload field like I just showed you, and then in the survey settings for that survey, there's a new option, and I gotta remember where I saw it. It's right here. So under survey customizations, there is a save a PDF of completed survey responses to a file upload field. So then you select which field you want and save that. So that if I open up the survey, and I submit it. And so I have this field set up here as a hidden survey field, so it's not going to show up on. I have it set up with the hidden survey action tag, and it doesn't have to be on the same instrument. It could be another instrument or however you want to set it up. All it does is it gives you this link. So now if we go back to the record status dashboard, you'll see down here at the bottom, this field, it automatically saved this PDF of my survey responses. And so that's a new feature in this version of REDCap.